Today is April 10th, and Livy and Ben are 3 months and 2 days old. It's about 8 a.m. Livy just had her medicine. She's on the changing table, her favorite place. Hi, Livy. Good morning, honey bunny. She had her breakfast. Dad already went off to work, but we just want to say hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Say hi, everybody. And she's looking at the camera. She knows the camera. Yeah. You crack a smile. You were smiling before. Yeah. You were smiling before. And she's getting pretty big. See how long she is? She's pretty big. All right, Liv. How about a smile for the camera? You smile. You smile, honey bunny. Yeah. No smiles? No smiles? Alright, I guess we ran out of smiles this morning. We had quite a few. She was laughing and chatting, but okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye.